Hello, friends. Hi, everybody. Today, I will do an explanation on US30. So, this is how I would use TradingView.com to do my chart if I never did to mark my chart based on horizontal and vertical lines. Okay. First thing, I would click on the daily, and I need to understand where US30 been. So the highest US30 bin is 29,500. The lowest it's been is 18,286. And that's from February till May. So that's a good 4 months. So that's a great indication. So I would go here and I would get my horizontal line, which is here, and I would mark right underneath right here. I wouldn't do all of it, even though this is the highest, 29,579, but I would do the highest right here just to be on the safe side. So I would mark right here. That's my highest. So that tells me I need to sell. At the highest, you sell. Okay. Then I would go here. I would mark my lowest. I can go here, but I'm going to use this as the lowest. 18 right here. And at the lowest, you buy. So now I have the highest and lowest. So if I click on the weekly, it'll show me a clearer picture. You see? So all the way over here is February 5th, 2018. All the way over here is March 20th. So as you can see, we see the highest here and we see the lowest here. And we know now we're really kinda in the middle. So our line right now is here. So our horizontal line is exactly where we're at now. So where we're at now is what I call neutral. So I use a neutral color. So we're at 24,485. So I marked it, it's 24,521. So now from the lowest to the 24, that's about 6,000. Okay. From 24.5 to 28, the highest, that's about 4,000. So we're a little bit above. So the trend right now, I would say, is an uptrend based on a weekly. So now let's go to the daily. So now we see that we're really on an uptrend. Okay. So that being said, let's look at the 4 hour because I do my analysis on the 4 hour. So now I want to create my support and resistance lines on the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, I see there's a support right here. And if you look right here, this is the support. Okay. Support means that you can stand on it and it's supporting you. Okay. So that's the support. Okay. Now, that's the 4 hours. Now let's try to find another support. I believe right here is another support. Let's see, right here is another support. Support meaning it goes to that spot and bounce off of it. Goes to the spot, bounce off of it. Goes to the spot, bounce off of it. So I see another support. If I was to mark it, it won't be exact, but I see a support right around here. Okay. Now let's look where we're at. Okay. And then I see another bottom support right here. See another support right here. So let's look at it. It's 4 hours. See, that's the support I saw. That's the support I saw. So, in other words, price bounce, bounce, and if it goes down and past this, most likely it's going to bounce here, bounce, and then if it goes down, it's going to bounce here, bounce. Okay? So, this is how we mark US30. So now we know based on the daily, this is the highest it's been, 28,274. This is the lowest it's been, 18,856. So it's on an uptrend. So you want to trade with the trend. So you want to trade up. So most likely it's bullish. So most likely I would do a buy. Okay, because I know at the end of the day, if it goes down on a drawdown, it'll go eventually and meet my buy. So I would do a buy. So this is support. This is support, not resistance, just support and resistance, and making our horizontal lines. So now when we're looking at US30, we look at it on the 4-hour chart. So this is the first thing I do. I mark my charts. So now I know this is where we're at. In retrospective, it's really a little in the middle based on the daily. So we know it's on uptrend. But right now, this right here is a strong resistance, meaning if it breaks this resistance, it can go up. If it doesn't break it, it could go down. So that's what we know. So we know right now it's at its highest that it's been since April 29th. So we'll leave it there. So now we have an understanding of our chart. This is just an understanding of it. Okay? I am the professor. Thanks.